Hello, if you're a new subscriber to the channel or a visitor, and particularly if you're new to gardening and you're growing potatoes, perhaps for the first time, this is for you. It's a video I shot some years ago. It's worth repeating now because my early potatoes are just starting to produce flowers. You may have seen them produce flowers, but what comes next? Before you even harvest the potatoes, what comes next? Watch this short video. I think you'll enjoy it. Hello. This short video is for new gardeners. It's to show them something they may not have seen before growing on potato plants. This from the internet. True Potato Seeds, TPS, is the actual botanical seed production by sexual reproduction and is formed inside the fruits stroke berries resembling small green tomatoes. True potato seed is occasionally formed after the potato has finished flowering. This from me. These small green tomato-like berries should not be eaten. Gardeners can grow potato plants from the seeds. Results tend to be hit and miss. Let's go outside now and look at some berries growing on a potato plant. So these are some true potato seeds growing on a potato plant, sometimes referred to as potato berries, sometimes referred to as potato fruit. Now, because I'm not wanting to grow any potatoes from seed, it can sometimes be difficult enough to grow potatoes from seed potatoes, let alone try to grow from seed. So because I'm not going to want to try and grow any potatoes from seed, and because I don't want the dogs maybe eating these things, because they do fall to the ground eventually, I'm just going to take them off and put them in the bin. And as I've taken them off, they've fell to the ground. Let me just show you this. Now, on a windy day, that's exactly what they're likely to do, fall on the ground. And you could see a child picking these up, and you could see a dog picking these up. And before you know where you're at, somebody's got a really sore tummy as a minimum. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope it's been informative for you new gardeners. Before I do sign out, what I'd like to say is that if you want to see potatoes grown from true potato seed, potato berries, potato apples, there will be videos across YouTube somewhere. Just search on them. Okay, so this is Homegrown Veg, signing out.